Notia Bapemu, Adom 106.3 FM studio, just on some Medoman Henny Club Nasant. Yet, and I copy him said, non do able. Well, a brass say, yeah, a big story, the bro. But my main cow say, and they come on the Bekakujina Ghana Consolidated Diamonds Company Limited. The good, the bad, the ugly. I don't know, Akete, and as a birthday wishes all. Lots of birthday messages about it here. But before I jump into that, my main cow say the Obokrata Napon Aposono Daily Graphic in the here. Criticisms of Free SHS initiative results to prove policy right. President expresses confidence. And DVLA backs 226,000 Ghana cedi from fake DV plate fines. Missing girls' families can witness DNA tests. Acting IGP Naka says, Sanity, say baby, I could do one more man be man. One here, the 6 echo Daniel 9. And I want to join I call you no kissing a crack. Daily Graphic, any man saying, for you, that I'm saying IGP acting. And Afi Yera Joseph Clifford Obosu, National Coordinator of the Compliance and Enforcement Unit, DVLA. And Afi Yamami Aliu Maha, local government minister, my Haji Alima. And Afi Nanado Dankwe Kufado Yamampe. Anna, Dr. Napo. What info in the dark? The Chronicle say, don't vote for NDC. They will cancel free SHS. Ghana man paying the say, my and two about my NDC. Esan says, what two about my NDC? One betray a free SHS. Ah, such one I mean, who had open there? Or does it be bar? A pie. Comedian back was you to know. Hey! The Chronicle. Gemper puts law degree on hold and pockets application fees. Hey, yeah, Monka say your Chronicle. For your, what can guys add any day? Tigo, what would the Omaka day? GRA records 21% growth in revenue. Yera Kufinti, also your magic kakra kraso. It would be nice. Say, also, be shana, Wabachri Machre, Etua, OJ Geno, a home for the same. The new crusading guide, spending oil revenues on free SHS, a better investment. Education Minister Neka say, And front page, free SHS here to stay. NDC not coming back to power. President Nana Akufo-Addo Naka say, tag of war in MPP. Well, say about to Obasu the primary CBA there. War no there, in you. A party war, it's a friendly fire. It's now where I say that we are chat, now we are sitting, now we are chat. It's getting interesting, both in the NDC and MPP. Well, Enra Dance one say Ghana Manganese Company no. They shall come obi ase one say. Yene Deputy Minister Kasai, Yamame Ahia and Aya. Yene the Kasai no. No, say one wo aye Western Regional, 1 year Juma focus ya. E ben focus do ye no. The importe na akoso honum. Some commons be did not pay, but the Daily Statement say power fraud confirmed. PDS threatens lawsuit against Danwell, Joe Australia, Al Kut in insurance fiasco. The Ghanaian Times photograph CEO of CocoBoard, Joseph Boahin Edu. Nimfonyi Kesiepa big boost for cocoa sector as World Bank invests $300 million in industry. Wow. Yedamwase Ebimrebim. And the Ghanaian Times here say IGP visits families of kidnapped girls in Tadi and government to create 120,000 jobs in 5 years. Dr. Awal Akadia Mejatum. Men or man with integrity. Dr. Awal. Medin Kakinkan as a Mekinkai. Daily Guide. Nana Jabs Mahama, where are the projects? I ask him so. Or say, be almost so dayebi. Hey, you do season him, you do mountain him, you raid him. It tells you everything common more, everything some more, and some polo, and some big. Daily Guide say Nana Jabs Mahama, where are the projects? IGP Storm Stark riding over missing girls. The Ghanaian Observer say Mahama will collapse free SHS Akufo-Addo. And my good friend Oseameyao Osheho, good morning, Director General, National Lotteries. NLA champions Akufo-Addo's Ghana Beyond Aid vision and spending oil cash on free SHS a better investment, Napo. And Bolga Boko Road to be completed before 2020 elections, President Akufo-Addo assures. Well, Yebesia, now Makacho say, Enra dan Shemu Bikoso, Ghana Manganese Company, Jumaikuno, one a sector ministry, no, one aswa for, and then a bedi a trading penny fushia. San Komono, Yebeso Kuti Kakra, Yebape, Yebabura Aquatia, Ye Diamond Hons and Semno Akosi saying.